Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the Getting Help option in the Crystal Report for Enterprise. So, Help tab will provide us all the study material and the interactive videos link from SAP site to learn about the Crystal Report features. So we have all these different options available if we click on the Help tab in the menu bar. So we have the SAP Crystal Report for Enterprise Help, documentation, tutorials, show the start page, contact us, register, and then about SAP Crystal Report for Enterprise. So let's go to the system and see what will help us in this option. So if I go here and if I go to the help menu, so the first option is SAP Crystal Report for Enterprise Help. It will provide you all the study material and the link which are from the SAP. So if I click on this one, it will open up the tutorials for me where I can expand and I can find out whatever I want in the Crystal Report for Enterprise. After that, if I go again back to the help, after that I have this documentation. So this documentation, it will open up the help portal of SAP, which is help.sap.com, and it will cover the introduction to the Crystal Report 4.x and all the basic reporting functions which are available in the tool, like logging on to the server, introduction, design concepts, data sources, queries, everything whatever we have, everything will be included in this. Then we have the tutorials. So these tutorials are the video based links for the Crystal Report for Enterprise from SAP. So if I go to the tutorials link here, it will take us to the official product tutorial which is from the SAP, and it will provide the e-learning material which includes the iterative interactive sessions and the video tutorials for all the key features of the tool. After that we have the start page. So if I want to go back to the start page, it will take us to the home page of SAP Crystal Report. Then if I want to register my tool with a key, I can use this register option, and then if I click on this about SAP, then it will tell me the version of the tool which we are using. So sometimes we have to find out which version of the tool I'm using, so I can go to the help and I can click on about to find out which version we are using. So I can see here that it is 2013 support pack 4, which is the build I'm using right now. So in this tutorial we have seen what are the different help options we have in the Crystal Report for Enterprise tool for the Crystal Report designing. Thank you.